All right, boys and girls, you made it to your very last problem. You are almost done. This last problem is 2 pages long, okay? So you have 11, it's problem 11, and on the first slide you have A, B, C, and D, and then on the next one you have E, F, G, and H, okay? So it's like 8 problems, but it's okay. You're almost done. You can do it. If you need to take a break and come back, you can do that, but just make sure you finish this by the end of the day. So what you're going to do for problem 11 is that you use the space in each square to show your work and find the missing number or find the answer, okay? So A says 30 plus 6. And what I want you to do is I want you to practice using tens and ones, okay? So some of you are going to want to draw 30 little dots and then draw 6 more. You can find the answer that way, but that's going to take a really long time. Remember, when you show 30, a really easy way to show 30 is to draw 3 lines, right? So 10, 20, 30. And then to show 6, you can then draw 6 dots. 4, 5, 6. Then you would just count what you have and write it on the line. So these are the two things that you need to have for each problem. You need to show your work and you need to write an answer. Again, you need to show your work and write your answer. If you just write an answer and don't show your work, you won't get full credit. You won't get all the points. You'll get a point for having the correct answer, but if you don't show your work, you can't get all the points for both problems, okay? So make sure you show your work for every single problem. And also make sure that if a problem is written like this, it says 3 10s minus blank equals 110, try and write your answer the same way that it's written in the problem. So I don't want you to write 20, I would want you to write 2 10s, okay? Good luck, boys and girls. Take your time on the test. If you need to take a break and come back, you can, but try your hardest, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye, boys and girls.